Bullish SPEL token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market examiners accept SPEL could reach $0 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. SPEL token presentation. SPEL token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Xsushi and different BEND, Arch tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate SPEL token. The venture was established by Daniel Sesta, who is likewise answerable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and altogether recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the idiosyncratic name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in expenses and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to give you an extensive value forecast of SPEL token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the verifiable cost activity as well as the job of SPEL token in the environment, in the event that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for SPEL payoffs sufficiently long. There will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's complete worth locked will wane. To settle this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention possessed liquidity, or Paul implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its super durable carefulness. Paul permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items without stressing over its liquidity leaking endlessly. SPEL token current cost. SPEL token is at present worth $0. SPEL has moved 13.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $41,692,328. SPEL token is at present position 275 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $76,696,999 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. SPEL token value expectation 2023. SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The SPEL cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2024. In 2024, SPEL token SPEL cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the SPEL's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. SPEL token value expectation 2026. Assuming that SPEL token effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, Spell has a most extreme value worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that Spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help Spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value expectation 2029. While Spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Spell token value expectation 2030. By 2030, Spell token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell token value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Spell cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the Spell token cost today? Today, Spell token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $76,696,999. Is Spell token a wise speculation? Spell token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can Spell token go? The typical cost of Spell token might conceivably reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Spell token might outperform $0. What amount will Spell token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of digital currency and Spell token, a drawn-out interest in Spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Spell token be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Spell token today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Spell might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the Spell token cost be in 2024? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Spell token cost be in 2025? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2025. What will the Spell token cost be in 2026? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2026. What will the Spell token cost be in 2027? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2027. What will the Spell token cost be in 2028? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2028. What will the Spell token cost be in 2029? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2029. What will the Spell token cost be in 2030? Spell